Oracle Cloud HCM is the leading provider of the broadest and the deepest functionality across all modules. Our vision is around connecting your employee and your workforce and provide tools which will make them a lot more productive, right? It's to develop them, right? In these times, as you think about how suddenly things have to change and you want to push new skills or new learning to employees and have them discover those things, you don't want a disparate set of learning systems where you push the learner to. You want a single place where learners go and search and browse for the learning items. It's short bite-sized content which a learner wants to refresh on when they are applying that skill. It gives the learners a single place to discover and consume, while allowing the learning specialist to easily manage the different vendors from where they're sourcing their content. How do you make sure that you have right strategies in place, not just from hiring perspective, but also from reskilling perspective for your employees, so that these employees can perform better in the future? So you're not pushing the learner or the employee to the LMS. You're taking learning in the business process in the context of the work they're doing and helping them with the goals they want to achieve, so that whenever they come back to that goal, they can see that learning, they can enroll, they can consume, they can see their status right from there. One of the key investments that we are making across all of HCM and across all of applications is in artificial intelligence, right? That's a key pillar of our strategy across all modules. It'll surface in different use cases in different places. And from a learning perspective, this is a big area of investment over the next 12 to 24 months.